How to fix display driver fail to start error. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. A simple restart can often resolve temporary driver issues. Click the Start menu and select Restart. Wait for your computer to reboot and check if the error is gone. Method 2. Update your display driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of the display driver fail to start error. Here are the steps to update display driver with PcGoGo Driver Sentry. Launch the software and click the Scan button. Wait for a while and you will see all the drivers available. Choose the display driver and click Install. Method 3. Roll back the driver. If the error started after a recent update, rolling back the driver can help. Search for Device Manager in the search bar. Open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. The display driver failed to start error can disrupt your computer use, but it's usually fixable. With these steps, your display driver should work smoothly again. And don't hesitate to download PcGoGo Driver Sentry for more easy driver management.